What was your issue that we were helping you with?
Which adductors?
Okay, which side?
Mainly left.
Mainly left side. Could you stand up and show us exactly where? So you are tracing a band, okay? So can you use one finger to show us? Okay. Okay. So what do you guys notice? What do you guys see? What is our sick meridian? Gallbladder, but in the back, it's getting, GB would stop about right there, right? It's also tracing a little bit to the UB. Yeah. So maybe 30% UB, 70% GB, right? It's definitely when it radiates, it's radiating down towards the gallbladder than the UB. But the origin is a little bit towards the UB. Would you guys agree? Yeah. Okay, good. So, what is the level of pain right now from 1 to 10?
No, it's not so bad. It's maybe. It doesn't hurt when I do anything. It's when I stretch, man.
When you stretch, okay. Is there what movement actually aggravates it? Like bending forward, twisting, or what kind?
Twisting and yeah, stretching.
Okay. So right now you don't really feel it.
No.
What movement can you do to test it?
I would not have to stretch.
Okay. And what kind of stretch do you mean?
I can do either,
Like
So
split?
not full split.
Can you do a little bit of that movement? Yeah.
No.
Like stretching, like what? Like
this?
okay, like this.
Yeah.
Don't aggravate it, but
This
now you feel it, right? Okay. And when you stretch it to that point, what's the level of pain?
maybe.
A 4. Okay, that's good. Now we have a baseline. Okay, you can have a seat. So we have our step 1 in acupuncture, right? 1, 2, 3. What is our step 2? Which system you guys want to use? We have 6 options, right? Anyone have a want to roll a die, right? Roll a die system. Yeah. But actually, earlier he was asking about the application of or the needling of heart 1, right? So that's kind of skipping to step 3, right? If we invoke heart, right, relative to one of the sick meridians, is there a relationship? Gallbladder, right? Which system is that? 2. So he has 2 heart ones, right? If we're applying system 2, which heart one do we needle? Either side, right? We can choose the left side or right side, right? The other question is, if we are using the shoulder, right, which is the heart shoulder is heart 1, to treat the gallbladder 30 area, what step 3 concept are we applying? Right? It's the root of the limbs, right? So you can say proximal joint to proximal joint, right? So is it mirror to or image? It's definitely mirror, right? We even have 2 kinds of mirror, right? This is the direct or regular one, right? Proximal to proximal. So which side do you guys want to do? Opposite? Okay. Or we can palpate, right? That's one of our criteria. So yeah, that's good. Relax your arms. Yeah. So I'm gonna press in. I'll use my middle finger. Press in. Yeah, there you go. Relax now. Tender? Not so much. What about here? A little bit? Yeah. Okay, good. So that, let's compare to this side. So going back. Okay, relax your arm now. This side. Okay, not as much. Okay, so we'll take the, actually same side, right? It was your left side, right? Okay. Can you pull out at least this sleeve of your shirt? Up to you. You want to go full? What do you say? Full Monty? Half. Okay. Just upper body. Good. Okay. So the way that you want to needle this, I only have a 50, right? You could even go longer than this, but this is what I have. So yeah. 60. Okay. Anyone? 60, 70? We're going for 70, 80. Like a needle option.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Actually, we should ask him, right? How deep do we need to go? It depends on what?
Intensity.
The depth of his sig, right? If it's just muscle, actually, we don't have to go that deep, right? So, is it more inside the joint, or is it more like the connective tissue or muscle of your bone?
A little bit of both.
A little bit of both. So it does go a bit into the joint. Okay, quite deep. All right, so 60. All right. So what you want to do is make sure your patient's arm is relaxed, right? When you needle heart 1, you don't have to expose it like this completely. Actually, better. Most of the time, our patients are supine, right? So the arm is on the side there. So what you can do is you can take your assisting hand to open up the space. There's different ways. The heart 1 is actually, if we're thinking intention to the joint, technically you can attack it from 360 degrees, right? But of course, on this side, the torso is blocking it, right? On the lateral side, the deltoid or the bone is blocking it. So the way we can go is either from the back is a bit more open, right? Or from the front, right? In other words, the small intestine side or more the UB side, okay? Since he does have a bit of UB involvement, maybe I'll do system 2 lung, right? So I'm gonna pierce through the lung towards the heart. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'll go from the front, right? So first, palpate to see where the deepest part of the joint here. This is too low here. This is too high. So I would say about here. You can see that's the easiest for my finger to go into the joint. So you can enter from here, and again, needle tip at the skin, right? There it is, 2 or 3 millimeters into the skin, and then re-grab the needle, and now intention 2, heart 1 at the joint. Okay, good. Here we go. And just have a consistent pressure. Give time for the tissues to open up. No bouncing, no twisting. Okay. That was a 60, right, needle? So we're almost all the way in. I feel a little increase in the resistance. I'm probably getting some connective tissue now. Okay? But not so much resistance that it's bone. Just to give you a feedback of, what do you feel?
It just feels a little bit tight.
Tight, okay. Yeah, that's definitely connective tissue then. Okay, now I hit bone actually. Right at the end, I had about 4 or 5 millimeters left of the needle body, and I just touched bone, okay? If you zoom in. Okay, so let's just test that, okay? Could you stand up and keep your arm relaxed? Yeah, in the same position as possible. And do your little dance to the same degree of movement. Is he going a bit further? Or he is, right?
It's gone.
It's gone. Okay. All right. High five or low five. Yeah, that's our. All right. There's our cue for cut. Right? All right.